bigger on the inside than the outside. There's a little joke there.
Started refilling the water. There is 7 galleries to go around, and you're welcome to take photos. There'll be some doors to open. You'll be okay. Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. Ooh, look at that, an Austin 7. We built one of them at school. Smell petrol.
Sounds old.
God, how did they get all these in here? It's not wrong, is it? You walk through TARDIS. Well, yeah. Can't get much more inside. Get that one. That's a beauty. MG. My dad used to have an MG, I don't know which one. Tennis rackets out. Said you've got to look out because some of the toys are actually around in the cars. All the petrol pump signs all lit up. Into bikes. Around. It's like a little antique shop all in its own, really, isn't it? If you ever shut it down, I bet it's worth millions. £9.95.
I could just see the door with it.
Get that right, that's a beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous knickers, isn't it? My dad used to have one of them. AA badge, just like that, up front his car.
Most people did.
Harley Davidson. What size of seat?
Why is it called a Harley Davidson? Because 2 friends, Harley and Davidson, were shared a special interest in bicycles.
Well, that sort of goes without saying, really, doesn't it? And it used to have your membership number stamped onto it. Don't know what happened to my dad's. BMW.
They thrown it away.
Probably. I used to have it in a box for years. Jag XK, the original.
Animal would you name your car after?
There's a thought. Oldest piece in then. 1896.
One of those?
Sunbeam. Oh, paint's flaking a bit on that one. Right, there might be in a bit of farmyard now. Please feel free to sit on the tractor. Have you go. Co-op delivery, it's like Amazon, 1890s. The Octo van. It's a bit chitty bang bang, that one. Little old bikes. Riley, bit sporty. How do you know when you're in one gallery and another?
I think every time you go down a door,
every time you go through a door in a different gallery?
Yeah.
There's not a space that hasn't got something in it, or something hanging from it, or what?
This is called a Topolino. After Walt is Mickey Mouse, of course.
Topolino, the Italian for Mickey Mouse. Look at this, old three-wheeler. When I was first driving, you used to buy spark plugs in little boxes.
I can remember we fetching them many times.
That's going back a few years when you used to change your own spark plugs.
You used to do your own services.
Yeah,
You and your dad.
imagine servicing your own car. What's all that about? Yeah, didn't I? Remember him having that. I used to have a Zephyr little model car. Is that a Mini Clubman? That's a Clubman. The original Clubman. We used to have that roof rack. On how many? Exactly the same one. Roy Timms used to have a Triumph Herald. Remember rightly? So I always wanted one. Although went all the way to London and back in an Elmin Imp when my dad were at...
Did you look at him before you wrote me?
yeah, my dad told me not to have it because it had got a problem with the engine. Ours used to be green. I can remember coming all the way back after we'd been to Richmond to bowling.
Actually, now you've got to be running in them, don't you think about it? Cows.
And it smelled awful because I was sat back in the engines in back. So you used to get all fumes sat on back seat. Was there one of them?
Except when we used to wear them out there.
TRS-80 with a screen. Never seen that. We used to have a TRS-80 at work when I first started. Remember them? I had one of them with tennis. On the very first video game we had. Broke my tooth on Russell Waitle's chopper. Same colour. They're very unstable when you were pedalling them fast. Polaroid cameras I used to have them. Simon Says. Mastermind, original Mastermind. In the toy car section. Said most of these have been hand built by parents. Stingray. What's that? Every code car of those? I'll have to ask Lil about Brum then, because I don't know who Brum is.
No, Lil, I think it was more our kids.
Was it? Oh, wow. Yeah, 1991. Oh, see that. I can't remember that.